We're about to start a small remodel project on our house. It took shape yesterday is when we started talking about it. And it's hard to tell because this is paneling, but we've already started ripping the backsplash off. This house, as you can see, is really dated, but it belonged to my grandparents. And me and my wife have been together forever. She was a teenager when we started dating.
So I grew up in this house just as much as you did.
Yeah, so my grandparents were her grandparents. And so there's things in this house that are really sentimental to us and we just don't want to change. So it's not like we're completely gutting this place and remodeling it, but we want to put some accents and change some things to kind of update it a little bit.
But still have the character that, you know, Nana picked out.
Yeah, and still make it feel good to us and a little more modern, but still have the older stuff. And so the first thing we've done, which, like I said, we started talking about this yesterday, and this morning we were tearing the backsplash off. What was a Formica backsplash is what we've torn off here. The countertop is this color too, but that's interesting because parts of this countertop are some of the sentimental things to us. And I'll just bring the camera over here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. You can see this countertop right here and where meals were prepped and how it's worn off here. And the memories of that are just, there's something that we don't want to let go of right yet. So
yeah, when we look at some of these imperfections, we think about Nana in here cooking meal after meal after meal, and so we want to keep those pieces.
Yeah, and you know, these cabinets, you know, and there's spots where you can see her fingernail marks right here, where she grabbed a handle and was over here at the stove cooking. So that kind of stuff we want to keep. So the challenge of this project is to bring a modern style to an outdated kitchen, but keep it outdated to an extent. So it's a little bit of a challenge to do the the picking out of everything. And
one of the issues with this kitchen is it's very dark.
Yes.
Everything is a dark brown, and so we're going to be taking some things out that are this dark brown and replacing them with lighter colors, but a lot of the stuff we're keeping, such as the cabinets.
Yeah. So today we went to Home Depot. Well, yesterday, as a matter of fact, we were at Home Depot, just stopped by there, and we saw a tile we kind of liked as far as the backsplash, and so we brought a sample home. Well, it was perfect in our opinions, and we'll show y'all. Let us know what you think. But we've also got a couple samples of flooring to see if we want to change this floor, and we'll put that down, let you look at that too. But let's put the tile up here. Why don't you put the tile over here in this corner?
Just one piece?
Yeah, just kind of line a couple of them up just so they can see it. And I'll bring the camera over here a little closer. So like she said, the lighting is a little, it's really amber in here. It's got the old school colors, and it makes everything even more brown than it actually is. But we are going to put some can lights, not actual can lights, but flush mount lights on the ceiling that'll bring out a more of a white color. But this is the tile we're looking at, and we liked it because it's mostly white, but it has some brown and amber tones in here. Kind of a smoky look, but it's not overpowering. It's going to be mostly white, but look how well it matches the Formica countertop, and then look how well it matches the wood. And we really feel like that's something that'll bring a little bit more modern look to it and really change the look of the kitchen. When we're thinking about this, part of our thoughts, of course, are based on money. How much do we want to spend on this? What can we do to change this without spending a ton of money? Because most of it, let's face it, is old and dated, and comfortable as well. I mean, we're very comfortable in this house. It's just dated. So changing something like this backsplash. So we're gonna be doing this wall here. We're gonna do it behind the stove, and then all the way down the countertop, which is probably about 12 feet down the back wall, maybe a little longer than that. And so glue, tile, trim tile, caulk for the tile, spacers for the electrical. I do have some electrical outlets I'm going to change in and out, but as far as materials go, this was just under $500, and doing this backsplash is going to change this kitchen. Just that. There's some other things we're going to do too, but just the backsplash is going to change this kitchen. It's going to be crazy.
It is, and it's going to be kind of like a 2-day project. What, 2-3 days?
Yeah.
But a lot of it's going to be drying time.
Yeah, there'll be drying time to it. Once we pull out the tile saw and get going, and we'll bring y'all along with that, but once we get going on this, it's not going to take long. This stuff doesn't have to be waterproof like a shower. You're just doing a backsplash, so it'll get splattered on stuff like that, but the wall behind it doesn't have to be waterproof. So it'll be putting an adhesive up here, sticking the tile up, cutting it where it needs to be cut. And then once you've got that done, which that's probably going to take half a day, but once you got that done, you're talking about just grouting it and caulking it, and that's another, maybe 3 hours tops. So there's not a whole lot of labor that goes into this either. She's got other plans.
There's other things.
Yeah, we'll get to that later. And then we're building a shop out back that y'all are following along with that too. So a lot of projects going on. We're always doing something, and we just decided to kind of incorporate that into this channel and put a little more effort into this channel and showing y'all some of the stuff we do. So I think it'll be fun, and we'll bring y'all along, and y'all check this tile out as we put it up, and we'll try to teach you a few things along the way, and comment on anything as far as the colors and anything you see in here that you think might help or that we could do. Oh, before we go, let's take a look at the flooring. We've got two planks.
Samples.
We're looking at vinyl plank on this. We have a concrete foundation on this house, and linoleum is down here right now. So we're thinking about probably going with a vinyl plank if we change the flooring, because it'll be easy, and it's something if you decide to do something else later, it's easy to pull up. But a lot of it looks pretty good, I think.
It really does.
Why don't you go grab those, and we'll throw them down here and take a look at them. Hazards of the business. Bare feet. Nail. That came out of the trim, I believe. We have a pile of stuff here. So, okay, let's put those down and take a look at them and see. Here, let me move this. Let me move this, and we can slide them kind of up against that.
Do you want them long ways or face going towards the sink?
Let's go long ways and see what they look like.
Right beside each other?
I don't think so. I think push that one up there where it kind of would be the floor. And the lighting in here is pretty rough to look at and tell what this stuff's gonna feel like. But slide that one up there. There's a big difference in those two tiles for sure.
There are.
Slide that one down. Slide this one over in the corner. And push that down just a little. There we go. So if y'all can see that good, let us know what you think on it. Do you have anything jumps out to you right now?
Right now, the lighter one seems like such a big difference from anything else because it's so light. The darker one, it's a very different tone than everything else in the house, than the other wood.
It is,
wood
but
stuff.
I can see this color
in the
it.
darker part, yeah.
You know. Mom's got to make a bagel now. We also have
we're recording a video,
the critter
so don't come
out there
in here,
that
and I'll make you a bagel when we're done.
he's going to be helping us on the shop if y'all haven't met him yet. So he'll be out there doing some work.
Okay, I told him he
He's
needed
gonna
to
need
wait.
a lot more bagels.
So this looks like that's matching the gold a little bit.
They both match everything. I mean, I think we've got two totally different looks that both match.
Yeah.
I've got a favorite for sure, I believe. Just sitting right here in this dark corner, I've got a favorite.
You do?
Do you?
I don't.
Well, we're going to look at this, and we have other options on the floor because I think the floor is probably going to be the last thing we do. So we may pick up some other samples and go through here, but we're going to study on this and see what we think. But we will start working on this tile backsplash shortly, so stay tuned for that. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us as we do all these projects we've got lined up.